Hello camcorder friends, this is Daniel Rosehill. Welcome back to All About the Canon XA40 over here on YouTube. This channel is all about the Canon XA40 professional camcorder, helping you do more with this fantastic piece of gear. Today we're going to be looking at shooting in manual exposure mode, so let's jump right into it. So firstly, the camcorder is going to need to be in manual mode. The auto to M for manual rocker is located just to the left of the zoom rocker on the top panel of the camcorder. For some reason I feel like I'm a cabin crew member or something speaking like this. So that's get into manual mode first. Now I'm going to pop open the LCD screen and power up my camcorder. Once that happens, we're going to be looking in the top left hand corner of the screen. By default, that's going to be on P. We're going to need to click on it and then move into manual exposure mode. And that is the far right on the top line of the manual exposure. And now it's there. You can exit out of the screen. Now you can see that there's M instead of P on the top left of the LCD screen. And now by clicking on the function button, I'm using the joystick, you can also touch the screen, you're going to be able to change different parameters. So first one is aperture. I'm moving here between the various f-stops. Then you're going to get into these digital ND filters, which is pretty cool. So you can apply the digital ND filters manually. Next one, we're going to have down here, we're going to have ISO, and we're also going to have shutter speed. So let's just go ahead now and take a look at this. So shutter speed is next down, and again, this is me toggling the shutter speed. Now, when you go back to the home screen here, they're going to be actually like red out. And this is me demonstrating using the touch screen. You can see, you can whatever you prefer, and you can also just do it through the viewfinder instead of the LED. You can also apply gain to the image. You can see I'm cranking up the gain here, cranking it down. And those are the three things you're getting. These are all standard, right? Your auto manual focus, your white balance, etc. So one final thing to note is if you turn off the camera and you turn back on, it's going to preserve the settings. So it's going to remember that you were doing manual exposure. So I turned it off here, I'm going to turn it back on, and manual should pop up in the top left, as you can see, and that's where your settings are. So just to get back to P mode, for instance, just click on P and you'll be back, and it'll retain after reboot. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.